Wheatgrass powder. These 13 scientific benefits will transform your health. Wheatgrass powder has gained immense popularity as a superfood, and for a good reason. Its vibrant green hue signifies its rich nutritional profile, which includes vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes. But beyond the hype, what does science have to say about wheatgrass powder? In this video, we'll delve into its scientifically proven benefits, real-life case studies, and user experiences that demonstrate the real value of incorporating wheatgrass powder into your diet. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Just one more thing. If you're over 50, be sure to watch this video until the end. And if you're under 50, don't skip it. This information can truly help you live a longer, healthier, and disease-free life. Number 1. Rich nutritional profile, backed by science. Wheatgrass powder contains an abundance of nutrients, such as vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins. It is also a source of essential minerals like iron, magnesium, calcium, and zinc. According to a 2019 study published in the Journal of Food Science and Nutrition, wheatgrass contains chlorophyll, enzymes, amino acids, and high levels of antioxidants, which help in fighting oxidative stress. One notable element in wheatgrass is chlorophyll, which constitutes around 70% of the plant. Research shows that chlorophyll not only aids in detoxifying the body, but also possesses antimicrobial and wound-healing properties. A study published in Phytotherapy Research found that chlorophyll can inhibit bacterial growth, making wheatgrass a helpful supplement for immune support. Number 2. Blood sugar regulation. Clinical evidence. One of the most compelling benefits of wheatgrass powder is its potential role in blood sugar regulation. A 2017 study published in the International Journal of Clinical and Experimental Medicine revealed that wheatgrass supplementation can significantly reduce blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. Though more human studies are needed, user experiences align with these findings. Take, for example, the experience of Alex, a user from Toronto. Alex was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes in 2018 and struggled to manage blood sugar spikes. After including wheatgrass powder in his diet consistently for 3 months, he observed a 15% reduction in his fasting blood sugar levels. While individual results vary, Alex attributes this improvement to the high antioxidant content and ability of wheatgrass to enhance insulin sensitivity. Number 3. Detoxification and heavy metal chelation. Wheatgrass powder is commonly touted for its detoxifying properties, particularly due to its high chlorophyll content. According to a 2021 study in Environmental Science and Pollution Research, chlorophyll helps in chelating, binding heavy metals, which are then eliminated from the body. This makes wheatgrass an ideal supplement for those exposed to environmental toxins. The study further suggested that wheatgrass can aid in liver detoxification by reducing oxidative stress. One participant, Melissa, shared her experience on a popular health forum. After undergoing several treatments for heavy metal toxicity, Melissa incorporated wheatgrass powder into her morning routine. Within weeks, she reported better energy levels and less fatigue. Her lab results also indicated a decrease in mercury levels, supporting the claim that wheatgrass may assist in detoxification. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic illnesses, including arthritis and cardiovascular diseases. Research published in the Journal of Inflammation in 2020 showed that wheatgrass extract significantly reduced inflammation markers in animal models. The presence of compounds like apigenin and quercetin contributes to wheatgrass's anti-inflammatory benefits. Real-life user testimonials often mention the reduction of inflammatory symptoms. John, an arthritis patient from California, began consuming wheatgrass powder after reading about its anti-inflammatory properties. Over a span of 6 months, John noticed a marked reduction in joint pain and stiffness, allowing him to cut down on his prescribed anti-inflammatory medication. Number 5. A natural immunity booster. With its high content of vitamins A, C, and E, wheatgrass powder offers strong immune support. These vitamins are known to enhance the body's defense mechanisms. A 2018 study conducted at the University of Delhi demonstrated that wheatgrass supplementation increased white blood cell count in subjects, indicating an improved immune response. Marissa, a mother of two, shared her story of how wheatgrass powder helped her young children recover faster during flu season. She began mixing a small amount into their smoothies, and to her surprise, she noticed a significant reduction in the frequency and severity of their illnesses. "It's like giving them a natural immunity shield," she said. Number 6. Improving digestive health. Digestive health is another area where wheatgrass powder shines. The enzymes present in wheatgrass, such as protease and amylase, aid in digestion by helping break down food and improve nutrient absorption. A small clinical trial published in BMC Gastroenterology in 2019 found that individuals suffering from ulcerative colitis experienced reduced symptoms after taking wheatgrass juice daily for 1 month. One such case study involves Sarah, who suffered from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. After integrating wheatgrass powder into her daily diet, she reported less bloating and improved regularity. Sarah credits wheatgrass for making her feel lighter and more comfortable, especially after meals. Number 7. Potential role in cancer prevention. Wheatgrass is also known for its potential anti-cancer properties. A 2022 study in Cancer Management and Research found that wheatgrass extract could inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells, particularly in cases of oral and colon cancer. This effect is believed to be due to the high level of antioxidants, including glutathione and superoxide dismutase, which fight free radicals. While wheatgrass powder should never replace traditional cancer treatments, some patients have incorporated it as a complementary therapy. For instance, Emily, a breast cancer survivor, included wheatgrass in her regimen during her recovery. She attributes her improved energy and reduction in chemotherapy side effects, such as mouth sores, to wheatgrass supplementation. Number 8. Enhancing skin health. Wheatgrass powder can also benefit skin health due to its high levels of vitamins A and E, both of which are crucial for skin repair and regeneration. A 2020 study in Dermatology Research and Practice found that wheatgrass extract could help in reducing acne and improving skin elasticity. Chlorophyll, present in abundance, also helps in detoxifying the skin and reducing inflammation, which is often a trigger for acne. User experiences support these findings, as many have reported clearer skin and fewer breakouts after adding wheatgrass powder to their diet. Anna, a user from New York, shared that after incorporating wheatgrass into her skincare routine and diet, her skin felt more hydrated and less prone to irritation. Number 9. Supporting weight loss. Wheatgrass powder may also aid in weight loss efforts by promoting satiety and boosting metabolism. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that wheatgrass could help regulate lipid metabolism and reduce body fat accumulation. The high fiber content in wheatgrass can help individuals feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. David, a fitness enthusiast from Sydney, mentioned that wheatgrass powder helped him maintain his energy levels during workouts while keeping his hunger in check. He noticed that incorporating wheatgrass into his smoothies not only improved his digestion, but also helped him avoid unhealthy snacking, supporting his weight loss goals. Number 10. Alkalizing the body. Wheatgrass powder is highly alkalizing, which can help balance the body's pH levels. Maintaining an alkaline environment is essential for overall health, as it can prevent various ailments that thrive in an acidic environment. A study in Food and Nutrition Research in 2021 highlighted that wheatgrass could help reduce acidity in the body, thus reducing the risk of chronic conditions like osteoporosis and acid reflux. Lauren, a health coach, observed that her clients who added wheatgrass powder to their diet experienced fewer issues related to acid reflux and felt more balanced overall. She recommends wheatgrass as a natural way to counteract the effects of a highly acidic diet, which is common due to processed foods and sugary drinks. Number 11. Enhancing mental clarity and focus. Wheatgrass powder may improve mental clarity due to its high content of chlorophyll and B vitamins, which are known to support cognitive function. Anecdotal evidence suggests that people who consume wheatgrass regularly experience enhanced focus and reduced mental fatigue. Michael, a university student from Boston, started using wheatgrass powder during exam season. He found that it helped him stay more focused during his study sessions and reduce the mental fog he usually experienced after long hours of reading. Michael credits wheatgrass for improving his productivity and maintaining mental sharpness. Number 12. Increasing energy levels. The combination of chlorophyll, vitamins, and essential minerals in wheatgrass can help boost energy levels naturally. Many users have shared that wheatgrass makes them feel more energized, which may be due to its ability to improve oxygen flow and cleanse the bloodstream. Carla, a busy mother of 3, shared that incorporating wheatgrass powder into her morning smoothie helped her stay active throughout the day without relying on caffeine. She noticed a significant improvement in her overall energy levels, which allowed her to manage her daily tasks more effectively. Number 13. Promoting healthy hair growth. Wheatgrass powder is believed to improve hair health due to its rich blend of vitamins and antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, which promotes circulation in the scalp and encourages healthy hair growth. Including wheatgrass in one's diet may help in combating hair thinning and promoting overall hair health. Emma, a user from London, struggled with hair thinning and tried various treatments without much success. After consistently using wheatgrass powder for 4 months, she noticed her hair became thicker and shinier. Emma believes that wheatgrass played a crucial role in revitalizing her hair and improving its overall appearance. Well, that covers all the scientifically proven benefits of wheatgrass powder. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions of these green powders. Question 1. What is wheatgrass powder made of? Wheatgrass powder is made from the young shoots of the wheat plant, Triticum aestivum, before the wheat grains develop. The shoots are harvested, dehydrated, and ground into a fine powder, which preserves their rich nutritional content. Question 2. Can we drink wheatgrass powder daily? Yes, wheatgrass powder can be consumed daily. Many people include it in their daily routine to take advantage of its rich nutrient profile. However, it is advisable to start with small amounts to gauge your body's tolerance. Question 3. Which is better, moringa or wheatgrass? Both moringa and wheatgrass are nutrient-dense superfoods with unique benefits. Moringa is particularly rich in protein, calcium, and iron, while wheatgrass is high in chlorophyll and antioxidants. Choosing between them depends on your specific health goals. Question 4. Who should not drink wheatgrass? Individuals with wheat allergies, gluten sensitivities, though wheatgrass itself is usually gluten-free, or those on specific medications should avoid wheatgrass. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also consult their healthcare provider before consumption. Question 5. Is wheatgrass good for kidneys? Yes, wheatgrass is considered beneficial for kidney health due to its detoxifying properties. It can help reduce oxidative stress and may support kidney function. However, individuals with kidney disease should consult their doctor before adding it to their diet. Question 6. Is there vitamin B12 in wheatgrass? Wheatgrass contains a small amount of vitamin B12, but it is not a significant source. Those who are deficient in B12 or follow a vegan diet should not rely solely on wheatgrass for their B12 needs. Question 7. Does wheatgrass powder have side effects? Wheatgrass is generally safe, but some individuals may experience side effects like nausea, headaches, or allergic reactions. It is best to start with small doses and observe how your body reacts. Question 8. Does wheatgrass increase hemoglobin? Yes, wheatgrass may help increase hemoglobin levels due to its high chlorophyll content, which is structurally similar to hemoglobin. Studies have shown that it may be beneficial for individuals with anemia. Question 9. Can wheatgrass reduce belly fat? Wheatgrass may aid in reducing belly fat by promoting satiety and boosting metabolism, which helps in managing weight effectively. However, it should be combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal results. Question 10. Can I drink wheatgrass at night? Yes, wheatgrass can be consumed at night, but some people find it energizing, which may interfere with sleep. It is often recommended to take it in the morning for a natural energy boost. Question 11. How to make wheatgrass at home? To make wheatgrass at home, grow wheat seeds in a tray with soil. Water them daily until the grass reaches about 6 to 7 inches in height. Harvest, wash, and blend the wheatgrass with a little water, then strain to obtain fresh wheatgrass juice. Question 12. What is the best time to take wheatgrass powder? The best time to take wheatgrass powder is in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows for better absorption of nutrients and provides a natural energy boost to start the day. Question 13. Is wheatgrass good for uric acid? Yes, wheatgrass may help reduce uric acid levels due to its alkalizing properties. It can help neutralize acidity in the body, making it beneficial for individuals with gout or high uric acid levels. Question 14. Is wheatgrass anti-aging? Wheatgrass is rich in antioxidants, which can help combat free radicals and reduce signs of aging. Its vitamins A and E are particularly beneficial for maintaining youthful skin and preventing premature aging. Question 15. Which is better, spirulina or wheatgrass? Both spirulina and wheatgrass are highly nutritious. Spirulina is rich in protein, B vitamins, and iron, making it great for energy and muscle health. Wheatgrass is high in chlorophyll and antioxidants, which are excellent for detoxification. The choice depends on individual health needs. Question 16. Can wheatgrass improve eyesight? Wheatgrass contains beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, which is essential for eye health. Regular consumption of wheatgrass may help improve eyesight and reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions. Question 17. How much B12 is in wheatgrass? Wheatgrass contains only trace amounts of vitamin B12, which is not enough to meet daily requirements. Individuals with B12 deficiency should consider additional supplementation. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness and special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.